Until relatively recently, divorcing couples in New Jersey who could not resolve their disputes saw themselves as having only one option: hiring lawyers, having a divorce complaint filed with the court, and going through the entire court process so that eventually a judge would resolve those disputes for them. However, it's a long process which necessarily involves many steps and costs a lot of money. And although the judges work very hard, the fact is that they have many cases to deal with, and it's virtually impossible for them to carve out a continuous block of time to have a trial on any one case. Frankly, that's one of the reasons that the overwhelming majority of New Jersey divorce cases settle before trial. The cost of having your lawyer prepare for trial, and there are a lot of things that have to be submitted to the court, is often several $1,000s. Then there may be several trial dates, and you're fortunate if the trial judge can devote a continuous block of time on any of those dates, which means your lawyer often needs to re-prepare for each trial date. The process is extremely frustrating and costly. There is an alternative: divorce arbitration. Instead of going to court and having a judge decide the issues, you and your spouse can choose an arbitrator to do it. Do you have to incur an extra cost because you have to pay the arbitrator for his or her time, whereas, of course, you don't have to pay for the judge? Yes, you do. But the total cost may very well end up being less, because the arbitrator will have the time to focus exclusively on your case, and you and your spouse can agree to dispense with some of the procedural requirements that must be followed in any court case. The point I am making is that you now have options, and your New Jersey divorce lawyer should take the time to educate you about all of those options and to help you choose what will work best in your situation. If you want to know more about all the different alternatives for resolving your New Jersey divorce case, don't hesitate to contact us. We really are here to help.